everybody, what's going on? So in today's episode we're going to talk about first things first. And the first things first are the things that I do at the beginning of every year to make sure that I have the greenest yard on the block. Now, we'll go over that step by step and do the top 4 things that I do at the very beginning of spring to get my grass green like this. Are you ready? Let's go. So just like our physical bodies, we go to doctors to find out what our physical condition is. Is there stuff that we've got too much of? For me, it's belly fat. Is there things that we're lacking? Are there nutrients that we need as part of our diet to be able to be more healthy? Where our soil is no different. So every year, I go and I get a soil test. This one, Yard Mastery, Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Great product, highly recommend it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take soil samples from our soil through various parts of it, all over the place. And we're going to collect those, weed out any of the organic material, and send it in to get it tested. Simply just take the instructions. I mean, how hard can this be? Super simple, super easy. Make sure you keep this. This is your registration number. You'll be able to access it through Yard Mastery /soil kit, and you collect the sample, put the information in, and send it off. Already comes in its prepaid mailer. That's part of the cost. And there you go. Now, just got to run to the post office. Now, to register your soil kit, you'll need this number here. That's the number that corresponds with the package that you're sending in. You can register it online at yardmastery.com/soilkit, or a really cool option is if you've got a smartphone, you can simply take your camera of your phone. This is an iPhone. I'm not sure if Samsung or any of the others will do those, but you just simply scan that. It'll want you to open the link, and that will take you straight to the Yard Mastery app. And you can open it. I've already got it downloaded, but if you don't have it, you can access the Yard Mastery app from there. You can register your kit on there, and there's some cool things we'll get to later here in the video that you can do at yardmastery.com. Okay, now once you've sent in your soil test results, you're going to be able to tell, do I have what it takes in my soil to be able to have it be healthy? And anything that's lacking, you're going to know that. Anything that it's got too much of, you're going to know that as well. And that will help you to take a lawn that to the greenness like this versus not so much. Now the other thing that you need to do so that you know how much product do I need to put down is you need to know how much square footage you're dealing with. And you do this by simply doing one of two things. You can take, like in my video from last year, you can take a measuring wheel or a measuring tape and measure the size of your yard and be able to figure out your square footage. But thank goodness for modern technology.
But I still love technology. always and forever.
With the modern technology now, we can go on to an app like Yard Mastery, and there's several others, but Yard Mastery has one, so you've already sent your soil test in with Yard Mastery, just will keep the ball rolling. Yard Mastery has the ability to be able to go find your an overhead satellite view of your property, and you're able to go out and outline your property and be able to find out what your square footage is per area. Great product. So every spring, I do what I call a wake-up cut. And a wake-up cut, I've called it that since I was a little kid, is basically taking your lawnmower, dropping it one notch lower than it was at the end of the fall, and taking it across your lawn, cleaning up any of the debris, the dead leaves, the dead blades of grass, and getting everything to freshen up and waken up, because you would be amazed at how that jump starts the greening up of your yard. Now, some people will take a hand rake and they'll rake everything up, but because I keep my yard pretty short, I've never really had any problem with matted and laying over grass. And so as such, I have never had any issues with any snow mold, which is great. Some people will take a dethatcher like a Sun Joe and get that up, and I think that's great as well. You do you. You do what feels best. So after I get done with my wake-up cuts, the next thing I do is I throw down some of this humate. Now I get this at a local ag store here in Utah. You can find some at a Home Depot or a Lowe's near you if they carry it. Just ask one of the store associates for help. Now, I have used this every single year for the past 20 years, and I absolutely love it. It does a great job at doing everything I need it to do, and I know you'll find some great results if you use it too. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.